Hey guys, this is Paul at Asher Automotive, back on the channel again. Today we've got a 2012 F350. Customer came in complaining of exhaust noise, kind of a weird noise in the engine. What we found is on this side of the manifold, we've got a broken bolt, maybe multiple. We can see at least one. So we're gonna go ahead and replace his exhaust manifolds and bolts. On these guys, the exhaust manifolds have a tendency to warp and they'll put stress on the bolt and it'll snap the bolt off, and then you'll have an exhaust leak and have the complaint that we've got right here. While we've got it up in the air, just as a preventative thing for the customer, we're going to go ahead and replace his body cab mounts as well, since we've got the cab up and got it off. This will also give us an idea as we're tearing it apart if there are other things that we need to address, other gaskets we need to do, things like this. So, you know, this is why you bring it to a shop, because we can lift it up and kind of get to where we can see the whole picture. This makes this job much easier to do with the cab off versus trying to do it under the hood. Anyway, Justin is well into this job already. He'll be showing you more as we go along, and then I'll get back with you at the end when we're finished.
Boy. Hey, now.
You're lying, bro. No way.
Rubber!
We got a unicorn here.
Justin's in the middle of this. We got enough tore out of here. We got the turbo removed out of here and got it to where we can actually physically see the exhaust manifolds. And what we found is we can see this one right here from the top slightly, but we found that the bottom bolt as well is also broken. So this is the cause of his exhaust leak and the noises that he was hearing. But again, we're going to replace both of these manifolds. The reason for that is you're literally already here. So you never want to really get to this position and get all this torn out of here and just do one. We're going to replace both of them, kind of start the clock over for this customer again. These bolts should come out of here hopefully fairly easily. They're not broken off inside the head, so there should be enough material left on the actual stud of the bolt where we can back it out and get these extracted for him. So. Okay guys, we're back with this 2012 F350. We've got the new exhaust manifolds put on. We actually found 3 broken bolts on the driver's side exhaust manifold. So we've got all of those removed and extracted, and we've got new hardware put in, got the new exhaust manifolds, all new gaskets put in here. Like I said, we did the body mounts, the cab mounts while we had the cab up off the truck. Try to fire this thing up for the first time. Justin's got it full of coolant, and we checked all the other fluids, and so we're going to fire this thing up now and should be good to go. Before we did all of our repair, you'd hear a loud hissing noise or a really loud engine tapping noise, and now it sounds like a normal diesel, normal Ford 6.7 liter. So we'll give it a good test drive, make sure everything is tightened down, make sure there's no noises or anything like that for the customer before they pick it up. Another job, another successful repair here. So don't forget to subscribe down below, and we'll catch you next time.